Live from the command center of JW Solar USA. Let's talk about my LEV60F 3.2 volt 74 amp hours LIFEPO4 power cells that I've been working on. Guys, I've done some modifications. This cell, let me tell you a little bit about this. This guy is a 3.2 volt nominal, and the voltage range you can start from 2.0 to 3.5. That means you can charge this battery all the way to 3.5 volts. That gives you a full charge about 14 volt. And if you drop it all the way to 2.0, that means the battery is already depleted at 8 volts. So if you multiply 2 times 4 is 8. So 3.2 times 4, that gives you a 12.8 volt nominal. But if you charge to 3.5, that is 3.5 times 4, gives you 14 volt max charge. So I just want to elaborate about that today. And these cells, the max power these cells can pull, you can pull up to about 1780 watt at 25 degrees C. You can pull that kind of number in 10 seconds. The max current you can pull from that 25 degrees C at a state of charge, a maximum current state of charge of 600 amps in 10 seconds. This battery can deliver that kind of power. And the resistance in this battery is 0.7 ohms at 10 seconds. The maximum charge and discharge current is 180 amps to 180 amps continuous at 25 degrees C. These batteries can deliver so much power, and each cell is a 74 amp hours, which is 259 watt hours per cell. That being said, if you multiply 3.5 times 75 amp hours, that will give you 257 watt hours each cell. These ones are designed, okay, they are designed to produce a lot of power. It's designed for a car. So don't worry about this here. I'm trying to calculate whatever is a 4S2P, but before I put the shrink wrap, now is a 4S3P. So 1, 2, 3. So I can get 4 more of these, because it's a 12, 3, a 4, 8, 12. I can get 4 more of these. That will give us a 48 volt, which is 16S. It doesn't mean I don't have them. I do have them, but just about adding 4 here. I need 12 batteries total, 12 cells. I need 16. I need 4 more of these for this pack here. That gives a 48 volts, which is 16S. 16S at 75 amp hours. Okay, if I put this all in series, okay, that will give us that 58.8, something like that approximately. Do the math, or 56.8, whatever. And I have a bunch of them that I need a 12 to give me about 3 strings. I need, I think, 12 more to give me a 3 strings. No, give me a 4 strings. 4 strings of, 4 strings. So 16S 4P. So what I've done today, I decided to add, I don't want this battery just sitting here. I decided to add a battery monitor, but made by Renogy. You can see that. So the total amp hours on this battery right now is, say you calculate 74 times 3, because we have 3 strings here. That gives you 222 amp hours. Okay, at 12 volts. I decided to incorporate. I've already explained how these batteries were wired on several videos. If you didn't get it, so go back, look for this battery on my playlist, then you'll see it. So I wired these batteries, okay, all the way to negative right here, and all the way, so it's supposed to be a positive right here. They all came and met right here, and this one comes from here, okay, from there and all the way to this. And you can see, no, this one comes from here and all the way to that, and this one comes all the way here. So that's why you see all the positives. All the positives are here, positives are here, positives are here. So boss part comes this. I put the positive wire on his, and I put what I think is a 200 amp hour of 400. It's supposed to be there. Look at it closely. I think it's a 300 amps fuse. Yeah, I think it's a 300 amp fuse, and it's gonna blow. So that's what I did. And the shunts comes, all the negatives comes from here. So I tap into this last cell right here. I brought it all the way to this, and they're all parallel to here with 2 gauge wire. You can see it. It's a Royal Excellent cable, and it's a welding cable. This is a 62 millimeter square welding cable at 600 volts and at 50 degrees C to 150 degrees C. It's a made in USA Royal Excellent cable. And the shunt is right here. It has the power cable, which is the positive. So what I have done, I just laid them in between this garter, and this is the power that comes to the positive of the shunt, so that we can able to get a reading to this. Since the shunt already tied on the B minus, the battery, they call it the B minus. All these come to the B minus right there. Okay, let me try and zoom it. You see the B minus? So this is the plus. The plus goes to the load, which is the neutral part of, or negative part of the inverter, the Magnum MMS 1012. Okay, is the G 1012, yeah. So what else again? So that gives, because of the positive there, we're in the communication right here. That wire I just dropped in the garter right here and brought it all the way and get plugged on the back of this guy. So this is Renogy. So mine is a 500 amps. See right there. Let me hold this camera steady. Able to read it? Okay. So it's made by Renogy. So just a cheap meter, because I was gonna put the Victron into it, but I'm utilizing my Victros into heavy projects. I monitor everything. And these batteries you see here, these are the Volkswagen e-Golf batteries. They're right here. That's a different ball game. And I just decided to show you guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna initialize a power drawer, because this battery right now is full. And let's turn the inverter on. You see that? That's the upright freezer. It pulls almost about 1.1 kilowatt hour, 1.1 kilowatt when it start up. So this is the deal. And you see the battery voltage already dropped to, because I was trying to top it off, and it didn't take all the way to the 122 because the inverter's standby is doing that. It's taking juice, and now it's registering everything. So it's telling you about 23 hours 19 minutes for this 222 amp hour lithium iron phosphate battery. We're pulling about 10.7 amps, 148 watt. It's taking it right now. So see that 13.7. So before the battery just get cold sitting here, so I set up a little system, and you guys have seen all the reviews I've been doing with these batteries that we get sent with different companies. We get batteries from Golden Mate, and we have batteries from Greener Power. Okay, so now you can see them in real life. These are the batteries that we already tested that came from 3 manufacturers. We've done all this review on these batteries. If you're interested on these batteries, make sure you go through my videos and you will see how I have already talked about these batteries, review them, just like these guys here. They came from Battery Hookup, and these are the batteries. Well, this company contacted me first, and these guys came second, but these guys sent their battery that arrived earlier, faster than these guys. Okay, and from there we done that review, and this one came, and from there, this one we just got a couple days ago came, I think is on Thursday. Almost coming to the end of the month. I think it's the 23rd or 24th, whatever. I don't know, remember the date. But it's on Thursday. I got this one, and this is what we just made videos of. All these guys, they have a safety cap. This is the only guy who doesn't have the safety prevention or whatever for, you know, for spark. They have QR codes, all of them. This one, and I don't think this one does have any QR code. See, this guy is a little guy, but he's very, very, very powerful. Watch the videos. And this guy right here, the QR code right here, they're all built-in BMS on them. They have all BMS built in. And but the only one, which is a smart one, you can see the cells themselves, how they balance, is this guy here. And this one is the most expensive battery. It's like $300 some. And they have the other one that has the multimeter up here, like a display meter, something of this nature. Is up here. So this is the Golden Mate. This is the Golden Mate is here. This is the model. They're all 12.8 100, and this is a LFP4 100. So 12 volts 100 amps at 1280 watt hours. They're all 1280 watt hours. This is the Go Kilowatt lithium iron phosphate, and this is a lithium iron phosphate, and this is a lithium iron phosphate. They're all 1280s watt hours. You can see right here, all under damp, the same specifications, the same, right? And the same right there. You see it right here. It's 100 amp. Okay. So we start having a collection of batteries here. They sent us for reviews. So they are like souvenirs. Now they're sitting here. We gotta find something to do with them. And but these are the most thing I've been talking about today. So we have the modification. There's a fuse now on this, sitting on top of these. The wire get chucked in this gutter. We have a battery monitor, and here goes the magnesign, the inverter I'm using for the 12-volt system. Very, very powerful. It's a low frequency. It has a huge transformer here. Okay, so it has a remote. Then I have this guy here for charging, and this is the remote for it. The MERC50, so Midnight Energy -50. This is MEARC, Midnight. Sorry, Magnuson Energy Advanced Remote 50. It has a fav right here, favorite. That makes a difference to the RC50. It has a cable just like a RJ12, like a telephone cable. So I just want to show you some little setups here and setup there. Just sitting here, we can cycle them. They can power the freezers. I take the freezers off grid, and yeah, that's what it is. No, if you don't put them to use yet, or you don't have much to complete your project yet, trying to put them to work. They can save you some money. So I don't just want to cycle these batteries than the other ones, and it doesn't matter, but just being conscious. So, well, just decided to show you guys. This is the battery monitor here. Let's see how far we can able to go with this. Now we can able to tell the batteries what to charge on. We can charge them effectively, and super nice, right? Okay, thanks for watching. Love you guys all. Like and subscribe. JW Solar USA, live from Minnesota. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that we can able to get notification anytime I post a video. You don't have to look for me. You can just get it bing on your thing right there on your phone or your TV, your computer, your tablet, any device you use has an Android on it. Then you can get or Apple. So this is what it is. Okay, thanks for watching. Well, the bus bars, they're designed to be handling over 400 amps, something like that. I ordered them, and so expensive, and just have to do what I gotta do. The other ones I ordered from battery hookup, they can only take about 100 amps, so they don't go that high. All right, these are 48 volts, you'd be good. But if you pull in more than 100 amps, like the specification I read to you, this battery can spike too hard. All right, take care. Bye for now.